So your father did involve in illegal things?
That's not the point. You know what the point is? She snuck her way into our organization, infiltrated, pretend that she was somebody else that she knows she wasn't, and she sent him away. She have to pay for that.
I just want to get this over with because honestly, I really feel a way about this.
You know me check for you still though.
Yeah.
But you know me still really want to help you though. Look, you know from that one little day me you said around the whole reason you tell me about your situation. From the time that I said I want to help you out dog. Help you get things looking straight for yourself dog. Just something about you, I don't know what it is, I just admire little things about you dog.
That's it, I give you so much trouble at the bar.
Yeah, but to me it seems like you liked it still.
Well, yeah, but I kind of like it.
And look how it worked out the best for you. Trick the crowd. Because everybody believe you don't like each other.
Certainly, and they believe it.
Hook, line, and sinker.
Well, I really can't turn back now because they would hate me and never talk to me again.
Hate you? It will string me up. That you for no.
I'm gonna ask you something. Them not suspect nothing with you.
Of course they pre me. That's why I had to set up Miss Blizzard. Get them off my tail for a little while. Get them something to go search for.
As I said that, you cut me deep, and my hand hurt me.
Well, I'm sorry still, babes, but you don't know I told you already though. You have to bleed a little bit. I need the blood, I need it to put on the garment so I can set up your friend Miss Blizzard. Only way it's gonna work, but I'm sorry.
Anyways, I get the pill?
Yeah, I'm gonna have the pills.
So about my food.
Oh, I left it upstairs. I walked out. Shh, this way. That's your stuff.
What did you get?
You know I got your favorite in a little red and white box.
By the way, meal deal or big deal?
Now you know I have to get a big deal. All 2 pieces of corn in there.
I'm gonna need some more snacks.
Anise, seriously, you done off that big bag of snacks already? And 3 big bottles of water?
Hello, I 2 little snacks to buy and plus in here hot, bad, and this look like a big bottle of water.
Alright, let me get you some more snacks and everything there. But one thing, me, please, oh God, please, me, I beg you. Stop go outside. Stay inside. Eat food. Watch TV. All around this is a local TV. You can go watch little songs. So just stay inside, nannies. Please.
Alright, I promise.
Why am I planning to make that local phone call about the ransom today? Let me have a serious question. You sure your auntie got so much money?
I'm sure. My auntie rich, but from my mother pass away, she just treat me like a slave. That's why I'm left to do the bar work.
Alright. Good thing about this is, you know, you can call this paybacks, dog.
Yeah, I'm gonna make the call.
Yeah, I'm gonna be the one to make the call.
I have to put it on phone. Weird. Did I use your advice?
Yeah, why not?
So, what can I see you? Enough lesson, I'm gonna pick up advice.
Yeah, it's gonna be me. Okay, I've been a prisoner already. Taught me nothing but tricks of the trade and techniques. So I'm gonna have to really bore you. Plus, new year this, we got new technical toys. How you think I got into Miss Brissy's car without kicking the alarm? Bloop.
You sure you're not saying?
You don't have to too much worry about that part. I got my links. But keep it serious though, Eddie's. Got some major things in the pipeline. Anytime that balance down, you're going well nice. Promise you, I'm gonna take good care of you.
I want to take care of myself. I don't want to depend on nobody.
Don't worry, babes. You soon have your own money to play with. A good piece of money too. But you know what the best thing is? You have to use your brain and take time with the money. You can't just blow it away. You have to keep your focus. No matter what we do, babes, can't let this lead back to you, and it can't lead back to me. I'm gonna not go back to prison. No matter what the crowd may think, me now go back to prison.
You tell me like 10 times already.
If I would tell you 1,000 more times, Denise, it's a serious something. This can't lead back to me. I'm gonna now go back to prison and make sure I get it in your skull. You understand what me I tell you?
Alright, understand.
Why you don't look serious?
I'm hungry.